Finally, we get to row 38, where we see a folding part. This yellow line shows us rows that will be folded, but we do it only when we complete knitting from row 38 to row 42 including. So first of all, I have to knit all these rows until I get to row 43. Let's see us there. Row 43. Here I see that for row 43 I also use color A. Basically, the idea is to join row 38 and 43 together and therefore form a fold. To see clearly which stitches I have to join, I will use any available needle I have and pick up stitches from row 38 on the wrong side. It is very easy to find this row 38 as it was the row where I was alternating color A and color B. So I pick up some stitches here using my needle, and if you do everything right, you will get one stitch one color, another stitch another color, and they will alternate throughout the whole row. I don't need to pick up all stitches at the same time because I will work this row step by step. And now it is time to connect both lines of stitches. I keep them as close as possible and I move the first stitch from the front needle to the back needle. At the same time, I turn the stitch the way it has the back loop first, so both first stitches from both needles look the same. Because next, what I do, I knit them together through the back loop. Next stitch I do the same way. I pick it up, turning right away the way I want it to have, back loop or back leg on the right side, and then I knit it together with the stitch from the back needle through the back loop. Pay attention that this row is color A, therefore here connect them using white color. That is how I keep connecting two sides and forming the fold. Don't worry if it seems to be too complicated or if you have difficulties keeping two needles together. Just try it different ways and see how it will be most convenient for you, and of course, no rush, just take it easy. This fold is ready, and then I just keep following the chart, increasing where I need and alternating knit and purl stitches according to the chart. You have already learned a lot, and I'm sure you will manage to complete the yoke independently.